that's where the amp is.
This one? It's blocked.
Yeah, because all this wire here.
It's alright, that's good enough. Is this at 1 ohm or what do you wire to?
What did y'all put this at? This amp. What is it on?
What do you mean?
Hey, go get up. If you got an Allen key, this is about to come out.
Should be Allen. There was Allen keys on the floor right there.
Is this at 1 ohm or half ohm?
1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. So who built this? Who installed all of it? Do you know? You don't know?
Jordan.
Okay. Are these Sundown Z's, ZV5s or X's?
Those are ZB4s with
ZV4.
mega rolls on it.
With what coils?
The mega roll, the
Mega roll. I know
Mega
what
roll.
you talk about, yeah.
Yep.
Wow. Custom box?
Yeah, custom box.
What's it tuned to?
I'm not sure.
Not sure.
Mm-mm.
Nice amp rack.
Thank you.
And then lithium.
That's done by Bobby.
Okay.
Bobby did.
Yep.
Bobby put everything in.
All right.
The subs got recon and everything else.
Okay. What lithium is this?
It's a handmade lithium. I got that from my dad. I can't really tell you where they got it.
It's all right. Don't worry about it.
I'm not sure. I'll be lying to you if I told you.
Awesome.
Give it all she's got.
Give you the GoPro. The outside. You want to sit in? Yeah. Appreciate the demo, man.
No problem, man. I watch videos all the time.
Oh yeah?
All
Appreciate it.
the
Well, you'll be
time.
on there eventually soon.
Yeah.
So you got Stinker, voltmeter, Pioneer.
This just got put in today. I mean, this system literally was put in today.
So it's still breaking in, kinda?
Not breaking in, just trying to figure out what's what, because I
just
bought
gotta
this
learn
car.
it.
Yeah, I gotta
Okay.
learn what's in here.
All right. What vehicle?
This is a 96 Blazer.
All right. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to hear it.
Oh, you go ahead, roll it up if you want
Okay.
to.
Or am I saying, nah, I'm up, I'm in it, rap it, nah, I'm
awesome, man. Thank you for the demo.
Appreciate it.
Woo.
They're kind of a little hot, so I'm gonna have to let them cool down.
All right,
for
we're
a
good.
little
That's
bit.
all. We're good to go,
Thank
man.
you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for the demo. Nice to meet you, and thanks for watching, man.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Sorry, I'm sweaty.
You good? Me too.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.